The moon. Today I want to talk about the fact that we have two crosses happening at the same time. And yesterday I showed you about the bullish cross, or the golden cross that is right now happening as I am recording this video. And if we zoom in here, you can see that the golden cross has already occurred. Look at that, guys. Right now, we saw a cross between the 50 moving average and the 200 moving average on the daily time frame. And does that mean we're going to see a bull market? Not necessarily. It's more about it. I mean, it's a lagging indicator, so it's going to show us that the trend has already switched. It's not a leading indicator, so you have to switch, or you have to differentiate between leading and lagging indicators. Of course, lagging indicators, they happen after the fact. So we already see a reversal. Now, of course, many people also pointed out that we do have on the weekly time frame a huge death cross happening. So let me actually go over to this chart here. This is now the weekly time frame, and if you zoom in quickly here, you can see that Bitcoin is right now getting a death cross, which is the opposite of a golden cross, where we have the 50-week moving average crossing the 200-week moving average. What does that mean? Is that bad? Well, if you follow pure technical analysis, this would indicate we're in a bear market, but we know that already. Like I said, it's a lagging indicator. So after a bear market, we will of course ultimately see a cross at some point if the bear market continues, but it's a lagging indicator. It's not necessarily going to show us a continued bear market. So the question is now, what's going to happen? If we go back in time, we will find the answer. But before we do that, I want to just show you guys that I still have my Bitcoin long positions open right here. On Bybit, I have hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin long positions open right now. You guys know that I want to put my money where my mouth is. Full transparency on all of my positions here. So you can see how much money I have right now in my open trades. And if you want to trade on BitGet, you can do that as well. If you are from the United States, for example, you can definitely trade on BitGet. And if you haven't tried it out, you have the link down below. So BitGet and Bybit are the two exchanges I'm trading on currently. And if you go back to the chart, I want to tell you why I'm in these long positions. And if you go back to the previous, or one of the bear markets back here, look at this, guys. We almost saw a death cross back here where the 50 came down to the 200, but there was never a death cross. If we zoom in, you will see that in fact Bitcoin had just a bounce here. Look at this. The 50 came down and bounced off of the 200 and went back up, and that was indeed the end of the bear market. You could argue quite clearly that the beginning of the bull market was right here, with this big move right there. And the question is, are we seeing the same thing right now? Because I would like to also point your attention to the fact that in the previous bear market here, we never saw the 50 even come close to the 200. And right now, if we were to see the 50 come down here below below the 200, sorry, that would be the first time in Bitcoin history. So there is the chance that Bitcoin comes down here with the 50 and bounces off the 200 and goes back up like this, which would only happen if Bitcoin breaks back above the 200 and starts trading above it like this. So that's the big question right now. Obviously, we already saw the falling wedge break to the upside as predicted. You guys know, as if you are my subscribers, you know that we make money from these moves here. When Bitcoin breaks up or down, we make money because some of these things are leading indicators. So if you look at this falling wedge, when you break the resistance here, you know that we have a high likelihood of going up here to the target, which is up here at 25K. That is pretty much exactly what happened here. So my videos are full of proof that technical analysis works very, very well. You know what? The best proof of technical analysis is my Bybit account right now, exploding with profits. And if you guys are a subscriber, if you are following my videos, then chances are you are also right now making a lot of money over on Bybit thanks to technical analysis. So I get sick of people saying that TA doesn't work and blah, blah, blah. That's not true. There's a famous saying, show me the charts and I'll tell you the news. And I will tell you right now, I really believe in that saying 100%. I think it's very, very, very accurate. Now, what I would like to see is this video getting 1,000 likes, and I would love to see you sharing this video with a friend or share it on Twitter. That helps me out. I don't take any donations. As you know, guys, I don't need money. What I need is your love and your support, because I love you guys. I hope you love me just as much as I love you. The only thing you need to do is leave a thumbs up and share this video with someone. And if you want to use my affiliate links, you be my guest. I make money, you make money from that, but it's all up to you guys. The only thing I really want is your like, your support, and the fact that you are subscribing and watching my videos every day. Thank you guys for that. Now, there is a video I made a few weeks ago called how to make $100 per day on Bybit. I would suggest you go and watch it, because it is full with a great strategy that you can use to make up to $100 a day on Bybit as a beginner. Watch that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.